السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. من البوابة الليبية للتعليم الإلكتروني نقدم لكم شرح دروس مادة اللغة الإنجليزية للصف الثالث ثانوي القسم العلمي English for Libya Secondary 3 Course Book Scientific Section with Mr. Muhammad Ushah. Instructions: stay in a calm place, bring your coursebook and workbook, mute your mobile, don't open your camera or mic, write any notes while you are watching, and respect your teachers. Coursebook, page 13, Unit 1, Lesson 5, Healthy Habits. What do we mean by healthy habits? Healthy means we are free of illness, free of diseases, and our bodies work well. Habits means things we do every day. Things we do every day. So that's what is meant by, or what do we mean by healthy habits. Section A. Complete the health tips with the phrases from the box. The phrases are: be safe when you travel, don't drink too much coffee, don't smoke, don't drink plenty of water, eat balanced diet, get enough sleep, look after your eyes, never miss breakfast, and see the dentist for regular checkups. Take some exercise every day. Section A. Complete the health tips with the phrases from the box. Top tips for keeping healthy. Tips are: number 1, get enough sleep. An average of 8 hours a night is about right. This means normal person sleeps for 8 hours. When we sleep 8 hours, so it is good for our health. It is good for our health. Number 2, eat a balanced diet. Eat balanced diet. Make sure you eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables. Avoid excessive amounts of salt, sugar, and animal fat. So we should eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are good for our health. And avoid excessive. Excessive means too much. Too much of something. Here, too much amounts of salt, sugar, and animal fat, because these are not good for our health. When we eat too much salt, sugar, and animal fat, so they are not good for our health. Number 3, never miss breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day, so it is the most important meal of the day. It is the most important meal of the day. It is the most important meal of the day. So never miss breakfast. Number 4, take some exercise every day. Ideally, do sport 3 times a week for an hour. If you hate sport, go for a 20-minute walk every day. If you hate sport, that means if you do not like sport like playing football, playing tennis, and go swimming sometimes, okay? So if you hate sport, if you do not like sport, go for a 20-minute walk every day. Go for a 20-minute walk every day. Number 5, drink plenty of water. drink plenty of water. So here, why we drink plenty of water? Because water is very important for our health. At least a liter and a half every day. A liter and a half every day. Tea, coffee, and soft drinks are not water. So tea, coffee, and soft drinks are not water. So don't drink too much coffee or too much tea and too much soft drinks because they are not water. So here you should drink plenty of water. And number 6, see the dentist for regular checkups. See the dentist for regular checkups. And brush your teeth 3 times a day. See the dentist here. That means visit the dentist for regular checkups. That means visit the doctor or the dentist once a year or twice a year. And brush your teeth 3 times a day. Brush, that means you clean your teeth 3 times a day. 3 times a day, that means after each meal, okay, you clean your teeth. Number 7, don't drink too much coffee. So don't drink too much coffee. Tea is better for your heart and can even lower your blood pressure. So tea, maybe it is good for your heart, but can even lower your blood pressure. So don't drink too much coffee. And coffee also, maybe it is good, but don't drink too much. 1 cup, 2 cups a day, it's enough, or that's enough. Number 8, don't smoke. We know here smoking can harm our lungs and can cause lung disease or lung cancer and heart disease. So don't smoke. If you do, ask a doctor for help with giving it up. If you do means if you smoke. If you are a smoker, so go to the doctor to help you giving it up. Number 9, look after your eyes. Get them tested once a year. Look after your eyes, that means go to the doctor and see if your eyes are good or not, and get them tested once a year or twice a year. So visit the doctor to see or to test your eyes. Number 10, be safe when you travel. Make sure you are up to date with the vaccinations, and take malaria medication if necessary. Be safe, that means protect your body, protect yourself from other diseases when you travel from country to country. For example, if you travel to Africa, and we know Africa is full of malaria, so when you travel, make sure you take vaccinations or vaccine against or medication against malaria. Section B, match 4 of the health tips to the pictures. Match 4 of the health tips to the pictures. Pictures are, we have 4 pictures and we want to match them with the 4 tips. Okay, picture number A, we can see here tablets and injection, and this is okay, medicine. So picture number A matches number 10. And number 10 says, okay, be safe when you travel. Be safe when you travel. Okay, picture number B, we see here a doctor. Okay, and we see here science. Okay, so it matches number 9, and number 9 says, look after your eyes. Look after your eyes. Picture number C, we see here food. Okay, matches number 2, and number 2 says, eat balanced diet. Eat balanced diet. Picture number D, we see here a man who's running. Okay, what is the tip that matches this picture? It's number 4, and number 4 says, take some exercise every day. Take some exercise every day. Very good. Section C. Now do exercise A to F on pages 14 and 15 of the workbook. Section A, underline for plural countable nouns and for uncountable nouns on page 13 of the course book. Countable noun, here we have 4 words: eyes, vegetables, times, soft drinks. Uncountable nouns, also we have here 4: water, sleep, sport, and sugar. And first, what is meant by countable? Countable means nouns that can be used in a plural form or can be plural. Uncountable nouns that cannot be plural or cannot be used in a plural. That means here we add this to the singular, here we do not add this to the singular. And examples: eyes, and here water, vegetables, sleep, times, soft drinks, sugar, and so on. Section B, study the grammar books and add examples describing quantity, quantifiers, and nouns. Okay, some, any, a lot of, plenty of, and enough are used with countable and countable noun. That means we use this with countable and uncountable noun. We say some sugar. Here sugar is uncountable. We say some sugar. Some sweets. We have here sweets. We say some sweets. A lot of sugar. Lot of sugar. Here we have enough sugar. Too much sugar. Okay, and also here a lot of sweets. A lot of sweets. So we use them with countable and uncountable noun. Countable and uncountable noun. Very good. Okay, we can say we use any with the questions negative answer and positive answer. Here we have question: are there any chairs in this room? So we use any here in a question, and the answer: no, there aren't any chairs in this room. That means we have no chairs. And positive answer: yes, there are some chairs. Yes, there are some chairs in this room. Very good. We can say also plenty of water and enough food. So we use plenty of water and enough food. Very good. Also we can say a few and many are used only with countable nouns. Here few and many are used only with countable noun. So we do not use a few and many with uncountable noun. So with countable nouns only. Examples: we can say a few people, too many people, not many here. Also we can say few students and okay, not many students, not many students. Very true. Little and much are used only with uncountable noun. So little and much used only with uncountable noun. Example, we can say a little oil dash, not too much oil, too much. For example, here a little milk, not too much oil. Okay, too much water, and also we can say a few people. It means here a few people, too many people. Here too many people, we cannot know how many people. Little milk, okay, here we have a little milk, and too much water, so here it's okay, again a few and many with countable noun, okay, and little and much with uncountable noun, very good. Section C, complete the questions with much or many. Number 1, how food do we need to bring to the picnic? Much, okay, because food here is uncountable. Number 2, how apples do we need? How apples do we need? How many apples? Do we need? Section D, complete the sentences with a few or little. Number 1, there were only people at the party. A few people. Second, there is only orange juice left in the bottle. A little orange juice. Section E, in your notebook, write 4 questions for questionnaire with this title. How healthy are you? Write the questions in the present and past simple. Number 1, how much water do you drink in a day? Number 2, how many times did you go swimming last summer? Number 3, how often do you do sport? And number 4, did you drink too much coffee yesterday? So, this is the end of our lesson. Until we meet again, thank you for being with us. See you next time. حتى نلتقي في حصة جديدة ودرس جديد. دمتم في رعاية الله وحفظه، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.